registration video. Welcome to the Namma School Namma Ooru Palli registration process. This video will guide you step by step on how to fill in the registration form. First, go to the Namma School Namma Ooru Palli website by typing nammaschool.tnschools.gov.in in your browser search bar. Click on the sign up option at the top of the page. If you are a government body, click the government bodies option in the given list. Enter the name of the entity as per official records. Provide the employee name of the authorized representative. Enter the employee ID. Specify the department name. Enter the PAN number carefully. Select your country. If applicable, choose India. Enter the address of the entity. Enter your official email ID for future communication. Select your state from the drop-down list. Enter the PIN code corresponding to the office location. Provide the landline number if available. Enter your mobile phone number accurately. Indicate whether you have a CSR account by selecting yes or no. If you have a CSR account, specify whether you wish to donate through your CSR bank account by selecting yes or no. Indicate whether you are a MEPZ donor by selecting yes or no. Select how you came to know about NSNOP. You may choose from Google, social media, alumni team, SMC team, NSNOP team, headmaster, government officials, events, newspaper, word of mouth or SEIAA/SEAC. Next, click on the Send OTP. Enter the OTP you receive on your phone. Provide your consent by clicking the checkbox. Finally, click on the Register button to complete your registration. Review all the information entered carefully before submitting the form. Thank you for registering and supporting the Namma School Namma Ooru Palli initiative. If you encounter any issues during registration, don't hesitate to contact us using the contact details displayed on your screen. nammaSchool@tnschools.gov.in or 044 2999 4215 or +91 63853 13047.